Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una day? I hope una day fine. How everything? I hope everything day fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I day fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, he go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you wait for? As you subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una, make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all, stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Is ya peme you fu me ruda we aye da yi fie mu gbo he. Uza we mo wi aga no pe ni no pe o. AKA o wi aga no pe nu ne gi agbe. AKA agbo wi o sa ko ku. Oh ko me. Agbo wi o sa. Eku. Agbovi aga no pe eku. Rudan we obovi aga no pe awon dabi wai ove almost ore. Aye da yi fie mu gbo hem ye do ne wagiri. E me to taji. Aye da yi fie mu gbo hem. Rudan we never so igbo vai, never ma so igbo haranya. Never so igbe o vai, never ma so igbe o ga vai. O me no je he. Rudan we no man never so igbe na ona veve. O pa ya ebe ni o so na ma igbe ni. E me no man wa we ma so ve yan na. E ya mana sekpe. Ayi amana he seni na he ya e una we yan be yan na we what e push egbe ma be ri okian wa yi ga ki yan be yan tali ku e me be no ki ku e don be ba ni we to ta we ko asakpo gi e we wa asakpo gi e we be no sopo no ya yi ruda we oh if you don't know some me Utane, oviye number one, utane, oviaga nok benu negi agbe. Oh, wagumek boru, orwe iko nagbe no sioma gorwe iko. Wagumek boru iko, orwe iko nagbe no sioma gorwe iko. Wagumek boru iko, iko nagbe no sioma gorwe iko. Wagumek boru iko. Orwe iko nagbe no sioma gorwe iko. Arreba you de bien London koti evene bien London oro me wa need wo bo wa ma need me owe oro me need wo bo wa so anyone who call me for London I need pidgin they need the why yagbon you we ba egg border roots and where go wedo aga mi ogo aseti gogo obi aga no pe o the May-Day the D-Day ya de wo de me gbinigbina ni kabeta na bo we last week igbina ni e mo gbini ropa igbini yes na so Abe keep your man shorty. Why ya degi ekena? Ate nene mata ma wa ahu wa gba owe no gbe mi ati e. Wata mu wa layun we bi ebire nu wa la pa wa we ni anani akin. Ebo we ye gbon yo me. If I see nuisance comment here, I block your ass. Mo vi aga no pe ni nu negi agbe. If I see nuisance comment on my video, I block your ass straight. Even me block is 3 months a day. Oh, birino. Be you who you are, I don't care. If I block it down dog, anything blockable one. When I don't, when I see useless comment on my video, I block your ass straight away one. Even get block when I see nuisance video, a nuisance comment, instantly one. If I sit and go block him, relax. Ni adek be me adie mana. Eke wana ni anagbo wari wagbe go iga wa me anything useless comment on this video. Guy, when wahia yari koni veni kata. Okay, no. I say your Chester. Yerogbe don wa. The battle line is not yet drawn. When me kaita, the battle line is not yet drawn. Ema ya totayi. Okay, ya aba me keni totayi. Akoka ko wano. Ema na beni wa bere mana siena na. Ema na ye ne den agbese. Ema ekpa ema na re. Ema na be bi na sun. Ema na ye be yesi. So isho ema na ya ye be lovie yi wa sun. Ime wa su o wa e. Ema ya ye be bi wa sun. Ime ekpa yo ya lovie yi o wa no de ade. So ema ya ye be lovie yi. When me gi togi mekiana. Orun pa na ogun ame me gbe kian wa onu e like 650. Don't just say what you don't know about anything. Seal up your mouth. Unwebe no waje abak bana my mokin. Wa ko aweba. As far as me, Obiaka no is concerned, nobody manipulates me. Nobody can remote me. Mo ekun ni oba ya mo gi no ma. Mo ekun ni. Oh. Ọmọ yaku hey ọmọ ye nwi yaku ge yibi ku ogera o ọmọ yaku hey ọmọ ye nwi yaku ge yibi ku ogera o ọmọ yaku ogwe ge jo ọmọ be enehunde awenu ge jo ọmọ be enehunde o awege jo gomobe enehunde awenu ge jo gomobe enehunde o awege jo gomobe uveriere awenu ge jo gomobe awege jo gomobe enehunde awenu ge jo gomobe rere kekere poge vanala dia awege jo gomobe unu ebe mu wekian awenu gejo gomobe okai mo we o igbe negbe meyegbe awe gejo gomobe enehunde awenu gejo gomobe emo pata mu menwe ko awe gejo gomobe enehunde awenu gejo gomobe gbunu weyegbe o awe gejo gomobe enehunde awenu gejo gomobe enehunde o awe gejo gomobe uveri ronpo geva awenu gejo gomobe awe gejo gomobe ave nehunde awenu wa gejo gomobe ọmọ yaku hey ọmọ ye nwi yaku ge yibi ku wa ku me gogo wa unai wa madaga ge e padana is for anyways for children oge mono so ru na we oru eho agbe no si o oru eho na gbe no si o mako oru eho na gbe no si o mako oru eho na gbe no si o ma oru eho. Is it not if you guys can still remember me when I do one video like that on my page in a how in a those when you still see you wish you in that way ave mane neme maunu e can am with topic in ya no emi no dere that then mete neme I say 5 days I be 6 days ni go kan ina again ni gase e ave presenter no neti dia me bo mi opa I am with a topic in you might say 5 days I be 7 days in it in the May day the D-day e ya de ode mo ekuni ni agbo vi osa kweku ha ko beno vi osa e ho vi osa na nwa eko mega ge mi na le lo makian always notice me in anywhere Igagewe a spirit atayi me honest stay away from this person. Baba na me wione. Iwa tabe noje. Ana ata mi mewe ge. Stay away from this person. Esunu de nohin meriebe tan. Where got me character be me. The get power. Your spirit and my own is not good. It's not going well together. Mene do our ni with more to be more kawa withdraw. Yes. Walk by walk ya hama men stay away from this person. I am a destiny child. Monera wo yo nu wahin. I am a destiny child. Where I don't want to me age me so ya agie. Emi no sazele lo ma di agbon we no samaze opa. O salobwa. Iga gun atose. Ega ina be aboge baseki na hamgwa gwa vote no kpia na wa ma ho. Ega ni ya ibe ya solo na ha me ya be no de wo ma need no waso because wa vote e. Then imagine pe no sawo ni manawe odo wa no kwa akewe yade. So emi ni yene na ya ha we wa no ya we love is blind. Wa ni blind ni rakoka kowewa. Wani ho wani rakoka kowewa. Wani doa mene a frustration comment yome impossible. Sawe ni gazo we genoka. Oh, mene mose. Oh, sawe ni gazo we geni yahio. Oh, sawe ni gazo we geno magba eva wutu ile gbanti na ya. Oh, sawe ni gazo we ge. No ye ni mesi obobolo unwo tagmo yakia. So carry go with the name. Yahweh carry go. You know the siam. When you do a fake lifestyle, nonsense, you're bossy. Atali kueme. Hey, queen, now you the lie. Queen, now you they do this one. Queen, now you they do that. Queen, now you they do this. Queen, now you they do. Na me where of you go no bewo me hin. Of you go no bewo hin. Do ni na what ye doing be a go. Hey, how money nera coco. How monera hey ni. No ma how ma be ni then I be me a him ni. Yo he me ni. Ni better than not be me on a walking in nothing. What are you saying? We are going kind. Our money now was in who never then not be an was in you was it. Oh, where a near him. Before you do, sir, we make us wiggy something. Oh, me, oza swam. When your my heart, at the voice of truth, we are able to leg banty nine. It's any day no be a lady ni. It's any day no be lady ni. Why when you are coca-co? Why my house aloboa? Or vindicative ye va coca-co. I'll give you a galilele here. Who doesn't have the guy will come anyway? I'll give a galley. No, I will near Zaswasway. I so much love wanting Otemetaraban. Oh, where did your bestie? Gossip Nanaya gossip your the Niagive Baro. Oh, Kotorigboa. When I always said it, when a man or woman talk too much, he talk out of pants. Oh, we are at Salogbe who not Salogbe. Oh, carry a panty for Abekun. Oh, we are. Oh, Akako who. Not salogbe. I carry a panty for Abekun. Because when users are talking, the quality people always keep calm. Odege, mowe. No nya wezo wobona mu. Uwe wani na emanite matani. I love you. Emanito ni wa na awa gbemiru. Which mero wa bedenedo. Then I will vandalize them maternity. I am coming there to say the way it is. If vandalize again, I say, oh, we are going Ruda way. Emi robabo ya yabie. Eni ka oni unyagma ya nigeke moge ogia son yabie. Even me vie for good 42 days. So for the first one was 21 days. The other one was also 21 days. I work be me kuweri. even in Mary weda deba, even in me you cocky ya munya, even he anime who ya agbe me quick where you esuno. Esuno. This is just the beginning of the nemesis. This is just the beginning of the nemesis. Ebo ama we say ebo. Okieki. Aye rogbe don wa betoge making aga okieki. It's coming very soon. Okieki. Aye rogbe don wa. Edene deri oga ise de buluku ni ya ju gbo vege ni e kin igba be dere o ebi ni kin igba o I don't know yet. De buluku e me kin agba o ni ya ju gbo I see you Susan. De buluku ya agba ni ya ju gbo vi gwe vege ne dede o emi ni kin agba edene deri oga se ike. But for now I that you feel mugbo. I don't have the time yet. When I am ready, fully ready with full force. Yes. When me tell me we prove lele, that is what I cannot do for anybody. When I am ready to open the book, the sleeping dog book, when I am ready, me ma di ku don rako kako wiwa. That is me. For me, I am not yet ready. Imai muegbe, but ema ya ni rako kako no muegbe. Wahia wa carry home or wa yahin. Me de wo debeti my muegbe. Imai muegbe. Who the Zuzu? Hey, you can say that again, my darling Jovi. You the Zuzu. Who the Zuzu? Awa zuo nai, awa meme nai, awa meme gbeki ayewa nai. Hey, now we de here. Who does that when a degbe or igbe? Any ka oni unya gban here. Ga when a degbo igbe. Ita huku bakage ya boy. Obo kan gbodi ono do ba bebo. Eden obo kan asun agbodi ono do ba bebo. Unwe ge deri omi efa na motin asun ala igbe. Obo kan ki gbodi ono do ba bebo na ukure dion. Ukure ni ge obo kan ki gbodi ono do ba bebo na ukure dion. Can say that again, Joy. I can get but you no do babebo na ukure dion. I see you my dupes. Ukure nigi no. I can get but you no do babebo na ukure dion. Ukure nigi no. I can get but you no do babebo na ukure dion. Wawale wana wa jo wek bo wiewe. Wana ware wana bo I make bo wa bagmonde. Ate fien awe wa do babo emugugan umeni unu ekwemiti yado wo ni wo home ate mi be nagun. You can say that again. God pass there. You can say that again. Ate mi be nagun no wa gijena wa ono ma mitopi wa ono ma zo wegi wa onu po ma ba wa ono mi ro pa wo ma wa ono no ma no vi wo watemu o di name to wa here we live nero line wo. Because this battle line only said down doga here no duave kina no siobi wae no ye star ma be mudia because many of you waya mudia owe ege ni gase e fana motien wano oga la wagbe amagwe ne no ri ageria amagwe no ori anwo mege muyeri anwo mo me kwa they not give you. They not get this one. They not get this one. They get this one. They not get this one. Wani duwe ebo wa yakian adu hun wa ya mudia. Adi ive medi meje memo homa. Iwe simi ari eni gweri me ya woki me. Adi hun wa no re groupi ni. Wa sene no re groupi ni. Ohun wa ya mudia wa ma yo we mudia. O wa ya mudia rekpeti uge. And we know that. I am a baby maniro. I hope I nick my hand, Menovia gano be oh, why yamudia oh, but on a very good day, heaven will expose you guys. On a very good day, heaven will expose you guys. Bo am I working? I say on a very good day. Why do you why do human no kaevu bo no ridu aevu towa? Again, one I wear eva ye even asa weva me. Oye logo bagmo eva sawe va mien. Oh ye logo riviagmo. Eva sawe va mi. Oh ye logo ama we na masawe va mi. Erun ni nano ove o la waria gbe benu waya ju hun mu di abek peti ore benu waya ti ni awe mi nu wa ne manike garo to wa mi e dok pa na wa la je na so alerun ye YouTube dandore na alerun ye Facebook dandore wa mi e be ga alerun jo I ga alerun better my spirit go that way e na so alerun go inside the youth ove almost to la waya gbe wani warona in wa be na wa he and we no ya dere wa is a so say why is a rioja why is a we mi kemi wa manare deviate from those things when we just wareni e ma be reni wa oji humudia wa na be wa deceive followers wa mono je ifun ya gue e me baso wa ginoto na udazi okin a expose wa we no be ya expose wa ge ikin agagbo wa ikin ogagbo wa imi we just eminu wado etin dazi obi okan kere ladian odo gwalu mama gbon ge wa odebo ni ana gwalu mama gbon no pa ladian we ya me do ya ni ebe ki YouTube ge wa ge grow wa no pa ladian ni ebe ki page wa ge ma seke ni aje mo time wa be na de gbe market date na o wa ni o wa ki no ka evo po no ki no ga evo to wa ebo bet to this date o wa ki no evo po no ka evo po no idu a evo to wa ebo ama we ki anse so o salobo no ke mo ke bo giasun o e no je ke ma ta ga be ni kata o e no ye ke ma ta ga de ne meji this my guy maveni ya put ya put asesi nwane esta no ye dokpa yo swear na ofo ege no lelu we ni o mebe no ya swear wa kinye ma no ne igi okpe awese no ma ne igi okwo wese no ma we ne igi omobo wese no ma ne igi omobo wese no ma all the name of waiting why you fun egun yan here ginoto all the name of waiting ogo fi karanya go and that is the prayer ne pray oga ogo ogesi almost to fi kara oga ogo oge dan ikpiya utome ikpiya utome unu gwa ni gwa ti ya de gbe remote ose na tawe ileru na mano arerunu negedo atra no press somehow or whatever arerunu no emano ye sweet mat de yo ma nwomi a sweet mat you know see hands geveni okay go David no way ye go alo yi oko meme wa to ya yo fo David no way go alo yi obi aga no pe era maybe ye he o saloboa era maybe ye igi mi ebo eneni ni ye me na ke waladiani iye me go na na mawe partly oho partly ewesi partly ugbedu no we o dagbe oni ni te no ke baya ebo eneni yi me na ladia heavy webe me de ewe neni we me no big a bokabu we ya agbokin ya kweku no anybody who touch us by mistake will die by correction agbokin ya kweku so far ne ho we nwa davi wawe efi don ezogege badima it is a pity ya rema so we wa if you gumewa wa egenu wa ya hende ode wa igagwale osawe ni gazo wegi even me bonu wa free kere aso le so de wa igagwale kuni wa gimi emi ni me bonu wa free every time ni me wa ya rekpetu gina wa iga gwa lo sawe me gazo wege be ya iga zedu na wa gi mi kuni ni me bonu wa free na hiyo salubwa mota ina we agbo vi osakweku aka osani maga oriona ge de dogu gba owe aka uga nikmia bisen davio give away ne no kebu we deve no give away obio give away ni mana fidon aka uga we na lo da owe we ale ke we aka osioma ni yeke no se aka even ni ka oko aka ulele feni mewano no rueru eniga yo wego ipa igbogman ode do yeru eru oge rudan we ode imi akeriore agbon na se bai ode imi akeriore so aka one of the whole world aka Diogbuduwemi one of the whole world aka na mi bida eze nwanyị Ikembu one of Spain a Royal Highness eze nwanyị Ikembu one of Spain. You know they know what that name mean. The queen of all queens, you know the hearer. A Royal Highness eze nwanyị Ikembu one of Spain. Yes, it's Igbo king that give it to me. AKA no senorio no ma senorio iharanya mo senorio rudawe who does it? Okay, we yes. Omona senorio tato na ona vio ya legai rudawe wekme no sekme na timo we very oni we na remote man ke yawa oni mene kunini afu egbe jenoge afu egbe you understand so my aka ni na ti remote so te aye we rovije me na bai wuru don te mata na we no ri unre no suwe ana ewe ne iye me mama Beatrice no ri unre na suwe oh sawe ni ga zowe gio mama Beatrice ogi mwewo mama Beatrice ogi wana na meme kpade ya ma ya rovi oviere ya rovi hore ruda whatever ta ma ya ni tema ta rovi ya hore ido boregmo. The truth is not yet out. The real truth is on the way coming. A truth my son azeduna kenok biao kenoko adowu pa oje emi when the time starts when the battle line start drumming even wayaga na the real battle line it will soon be drum egbe na ato eni na here na do ya we ekuni o ma dan ekuni good Samaritan ekuni oswoma no be ni je ki kai owo ohu no swoma nerere soma be to ye oje na mi yo ria one umato ge ye ki ne musi umato ge woni mada to e come ya no erite yaje bete agbon wo dewo iyan wegbe manike ma wegbe just like that when the innocent soul you people relax dwelling, and that innocent soul was sharing tears in our own house for 42 days and putting lies that I know nothing about, putting it on my enemy's head. But it's okay. The real day will soon be out. The battle line for battle will soon hot. Well, relax. The real battle line. I swear ni me bana ole so magbono ye ni me. So just like even the home ye a we the ogoma be ya jiva. Osi no sana be save me save you because of the home where this very person is innocent. Why ma play me audio? But I cannot play that audio here because many people in this Europe know the man. A dog barberio early in the morning. Oh money. Oh woman bove. Ne audio na be send no se me na give me no ma send the gume. Ina la wo wora me. Audio na because audio na or heavy maybe mama me no go kan. Ina send any rame na la gume pe wodo. How ne or we don't know send the gume na we bove mana the mange. Early momo like that. Or what is saving where you are innocent, my dear. Or where did God Almighty reveal it to him? O saloba de game we bomana the person ye. He got buy a day we boje ni love lave. Gay we bomana the person ye. Bet when no ya or what in one leru or what you saw review man. Na has na wijo me no pama go na me do time the person we ge. I will relax or what the anyash is going to open because you are innocent. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thanks, sir. God bless you. Or you are innocent. Because oh my mama yaraki. But me but the real day or the wood day. I gave him more kind. Wow. Metane we it will not come at peti ogogo me agare e eladian mo no mena e ona e eladian aida ye fie mugbo he ogogo beni wa be dogbe na o wa be sede na do we ladian me boni egbo ikose to pa ya ri jowo ni ya je kose to pa ije short nika ijo itota ye ko wa wa unasia Rita Bello dege we ba no na mamu you understand so e no vie do ne wagre so emi na gbona wa we mi wa wesi awesi ezogege badima don't change from who you are to who you are not. Always stand by your words. Okona ria bagbada ariye lawe o. If you know who ye, matter where you stand on it, make sure you hold your ground. Because when you start deviate from the truth, your enemy will rule over you. When you stand on your truth, the path of truth, oh my God, you will not see heaven vengeance will start taking place. God of vengeance, you are too powerful to fail. Omnipotent, you are too powerful to fail. Supernatural God, you are too powerful to fail. God of vengeance, you are too powerful to fail. I am Daraya. You are too powerful to face. Supernatural God. You are too powerful to face. You are so powerful. You are too powerful to face. Oh God of vengeance. God of vengeance. You are too powerful to face. Supernatural God. You are too powerful to face. Omnipotent. You are too powerful to fail. You are so powerful. You are too powerful to fail. Hey. You are too powerful to fail. I am Daraya. You are too powerful to fail. You are so powerful. You are too powerful to fail. Ina je mudia yekpeti ugeme ameve na asien kwa ba wo hiame. Jevini mana okpama eva ohuo mamoma anaga mwehi ayohia mo anaga mwehi ayohia mo anaga mwehi ayohia mo iyen no veni mena gbatibe oge ni mata ogo no pe wanado we because of getu wareni do rudu wa do sun igo wahiagi ege ni wa ya avio brio bokagma me deude me kunini na remote nobody on this Europe. Ni wakawe Nobody in this whole wide world no ati remote me no ya kan okpe esunu except kaga no kpe ni aya ho me except amaga no kpe ni afi una yebe na bie me e me de go run opa no remote me no ya kan okpe when the truth want to start yeah and you don't change me for who I am e maternity me amoso atabe ni rame ga atalo era mota o wede no aso azo gege badi ma bi me o matabe no je eri o ya deri emi no wa be mi o be bi o. That is why I cannot side anybody. When you are wrong, I give it to you the way it is. Extra no time ame we give ni ayata he so no we rio I wa ta be rio ni ruda we me money off egbe Sonia me money na ta we eru ayata because of one person who I am, I will start changing from who I am. Mo we are no beni. Me awa la place on mo webe yana. Iga do dog no guakan umadia matani you are running from it. Me the live video where those answer noji. I whatever noji. Oh kan wa am transformer dede. I don't care. Matani it must vandalize vanisi. Off egbe medali osawe niga zo wegi. Sleep well medali. Sleep well saguero afiangbo saguero. You understand why me bobo we ya zo wegi we. Be ni Jesu Christi. So na we do ne wagre. Mere man ni me do tale ku me be na. I am here to dance. Irie mani do gboruwe. Do na we itegwa lo rome. Iya we London na mi o. Oya me gbonyun e we London wari o rome gume. Be ni yari rigbon. Ruda we eve ne kome ya se monyeme o ya me gbon yun eve ri owe ime iwe eve ni yagbon yun take eve ni riri yagbon orun me ya pidgin ya tegbe so wa egu be no ya yagbon yun wa bet ve ni me wa jena o money na sukibi queen of all queens. Oviaga no kpe no negi agbe. Oviaga no kpe no orokpa ti manipulate. Oviaga no kpe no orokpa ti remote. I am too powerful for the devil to solve. When my spirit does not go for you, ejeva. A spirit me mana go when me me age we go my go sao. Meri yewe tan. Iri yewe tan. We ye me bava. Mega be alele working na ge o manu tale mo ki ariya na afiari abenu mai degbe yeti igun imi aga go egbon obeta oge na do ateme magbe o me warere mu e mabo ya wa ge we gbata lo na kin benu riri yagbon me wa take ebe ni yagbon yun we ba ibe differentiate value we o ha wa take ebe ri oni no wa ya na ma Pigeon or no pigeon wa take even yagbon yun why worry anyhow now the ogbonge right the ogbonge something for them make una not let them be anything to una beni me wajina my heart is full of joy my heart is full of joy oh my heart is full of joy my heart is full of joy oh my heart is full of joy. A teacher me, I see your message. Agunure God, Jehovah Ogadumo, the all-sufficient God. Agunure o, Agunure God, Jehovah Ogadumo, hey, the all-sufficient God. Hey, Agunure o. Ide Italy wa gume mure otevere space gbe ma doge space wo severio yan we London anami no wo we na we no wo oye ne okokipia egbian we London anami the strongest one oya me gbe London yo we London people because why ni na gbe wa mo bog me London etin we can me be ye wo be if you London they are very intelligent. If you London, Shuna Yadere, Evie London, where can relax your mind, we know where the truth is going and where they are coming from. You may dore Madivi London where La Wagume vie Pidgin Kodore, a Pinji over London in Nidi, Ruda where if ye London, mega me no wagelewa, no wa zuze yeme, naveni ya, even ya no wa tawe. We are so intelligent. We know what is going on, my darling. You relax your mind. Heaven will vindicate you. I say na like if you London Severio they are very intelligent. In reason say having locality no a Europe or be ya a brain dog be iya mana igbi an nebe ni agbi an nebe ni agbi iya hewewo. So if you London, they are so smart, they are so intelligent. Even he are going bo give you London. They are so intelligent, they are so smart. Guy, if you don't know what this very pada is from Mercadona. E Mercadona na donavo. Og Africa rowa. O Mercadona we allo. Because o Mercadona e me walo na. So, if you London, they are smart, they are intelligent. Uketi oleka. If you London, you go no adenesi. Except they just want to let you be. Except they just want to ignore you. Except they don't want to even talk about your issue. Ewu weketi oleka. A London people. Yankama when we you go no rekani. So for that reason, I only yagibi gbo deso. E yagibi London. No wa na mame bagun. No wa na ma wa yokpa we London ma no wa ye va wo ise no wa ye ha u ina be ari o de maki ije be ni ne mose ihe asunu ye ni we ma roda we ije ni mose ni ego hu ye ni ego hu ye so oni na be ari ba ina be ari de gbe ari o spe ni gi ogbe o me ye ose mo pa no ro Malaga ina be o se mo be je be ro ege eni memie ina be ari o jemi ni gogbe imi agata lo kere bet mesunu ye ni waro pa wa relax oro eva memie wo spe na nike so ga gun o but verio madagi yan egbe wo ne no ro have fake lifestyle ni no me gbe kin no ma miera naria nusi o ma meye naria nusi so egeni ga se o popo na ya gbiyale ta ya gbiyawo bo ama wese yes now UK people no wa na maragbon they be oga for everything now they run am here osa here UK off wagbe o off wagbe egbego Megi ya leva enodo oko egbego giama zede huwa kogwe huwa giya egbego eya ya leva enodo oko egbego giama zede huwa kogwe huwa giya egbego nuwa ya leva enodo oko egbego yes na smelly body o wado ya gbe nonsense yo me boss smelly body eri mebe ya block wa because wa ma dey useful neni kata wa ma dey useful and if you Spanish when no mama sive para nada wa ma dey useful na or ma not dey useful all reason say yes popo na ya gbeyale no abe ya ase gbeyawo ebon amawe hian se emi na we kuni dia be wa gba igbogbon no ebo amawe hian se emi na we osawe ni gazo wege enini hu tagbon ya eni na we osawe ni gazo wege be dia wa gba igbogbon no ebo amawe kiase kiabe wu wa me no gu warewo me duogo me mi unwo but wanike ga duogo wa mi unwo i osaloboa Venu wado ya gme useless comment your main boss. Do agme the rubbish. Even when I try telling you people stop and stop. Why yare what agmen a rubbish yo me ati. Do you think I care about those things? Megale lo ma come ya lelu. Ya re odo we makuya I run away ebo and every minta. You know the problem most of you people have. When somebody don't want to talk, you people keep think you guys are smart. You guys are smart. Really believe me from the bottom of my heart. When people decide to ignore for peace to reign, not that they are stupid or they are foolish. No, they are not stupid or neither they are foolish. They only did it for peace to reign. Not that things are not in this mouth to say. Billions are in this mouth to say. But why keep when we push your money? Why push why review benonisu wana waki yoto wala. Benonisu wana waki yoto wala. Me, I am that only one woman's code. No ka konkwitila wo wieni. Yon degbe total yima. O degbe kon. Even though me maki ekpeti uge. I totama. I me showa miotoi. Okay. Many, the only journalist woman that no one will fuck with. My silence is not a foolishness. My silence, ihun wawe na yegbe yufuwe, yaki. And know that. What am I celebrating? I am celebrating my freedom, my darling. I am celebrating on starting vindicating vindication vindicating as we were communicating and as we were talking. No anama as we were talking, as we were saying. I ignore quarrel for peace to reign. I ignore quarrel for peace to reign. Emega iga feli ya iyagi ona dogwa. Aga ike dogwa ya we bigger than this. Etemerununa. Eme wari yellow yobo. Eme ori yellow yobo. Miawawe. E havia prouvé que erioje. Vani wana ewe iyo settle down kukumesi. Mais toi avec quoi? Let's try like this. No, that is why I don't live my life like that. I live my life when I stand here. Ils sont vandalisés. Il y a rien point au relais, il y a rien date au relais, il y a vie mi. That is how I live my life. But one na we o ma o no gun. Eto mani mohan. Eto mohigbina. Iyo salobo ezo ma yari e ba enia. Oga dere neverio ezo no nia. Ona dere neverio. Yes na. You know let time with you communicate talking, communicating, doing. No, I get wiki where it's lancy no. As we were talking, my people, as we were communicating. If you don't know what it is, the part 2 battle line is not for me. Part 1 wa the part 2. Mo ye be gun kan. For me e mana meye iwaru wa. E ma je ba mu yo ije mo ija gbori eri eki. E ma me je ba be mu ija gbo kekide. Ya. E ma meye me no sa we ni gazo wege. No vi aga no pe nu ne gi agbe. O ko be. Gai e ma je ba mu ija gbori eki. E ma me je ba mu ija gbo kekide. Obi aka no pe money no vie ma won pe awon ko hia money no vie ma mi roba wo hia money no vie ma ni ka oni unyagbon money no vie ma pa ma ri ole money no vie ma ma ya ni wulo ni o wa ya gba kiyeye imegie oga area we be ni kaves do tize nunu me be peti uge u dazi no ge moge wo gia son zoru ni agbe area we u dazi no je ge moge wo gia son efa na motin oga laya ya agbe ba koka ko ni adia eso iya manager be take time o salo bo akan save so we kesi no roto no eso manager be take time emina ya woma be mina ma ya woma okpa emana tocha yivoru okpa ga ti emewe ogun emina mama ye wa mina ina agi ogun ye wa mina iya mama be yana na me gbina be mina ni ogun ye ga gbina be mina ni ogun mo ga a bodyguard o wani ogun me na stand as a bodyguard mo wa egbe we jare no ge na mimi ni yeru kmogwe ewe bona ya yaye ina yebe mi no be vitali awi ya na tie me bi mi nani awa mani na mo try no mo iwo no kia me be mi na oni me no bi aga no pe no na gi agbe we wa so do awe kani e na surprise o sa we ni ga zo we gi no ga atie we gba yan ehiwe mami uma happy ebe rokpa na ni me na ta woti me gwa bi ye ke o wa o ti gbode I have it done because of venom. I have it try. Maybe no water. Where of allow a baby no dear. That is me. Saloba de eti to. Where of allow a baby no dear. Ime why. I have it done wiggy. Beside me, no go area one. Anybody not see a be kiva. You mother every after live video where boy makbabu why and not joking. A boy in makbabu why. Emi no ma nehi mi ogo yi o ma Fiona ehi mana mi ego egi obogbe unwo pe awon ko ya ida nehi ya ida no mo boy ida no mo we ida no akpole ke ida na panoro eko ida ne mi roba wo yi anoriva o dan we eni kata owo kan no kuwo eyin unya ni nya aru wa bi wa yi no ma nya ehe owo kan no